Hi, I'm Patrick McEvoy, and this is my art studio. This is where I work on various art projects, including illustrations for the Phases of the Moon series from Folktellers. I've been a professional illustrator for a couple of decades now, but it's still a lot of fun. Here's a wall of reference material. I usually use the internet to look things up these days, but there are some things you just can't find there, so specialty books are a way to go. And they look really cool too. Here's my easel, my filing cabinet, and a bunch of stock posters, prints, books, and other things I sell, either online or at conventions. And this is where the whole process starts, the drawing board. I do sketches here and a few finished drawings. On the table, I've got a few of the small preliminary sketches for the upcoming Folkteller book, The Cave in the Rock. It's going to be fully illustrated, so there's one full-page picture for each chapter. The writer, Joseph, and I did some brainstorming before I got started to figure out the scenes I'd illustrate, and now I'm going from there. I start with small sketches just to get the basic idea before I do the final drawing on the computer. I just draw on ordinary printer paper with a regular old number 2 pencil. That's all I need for sketches. And I do about 90% of my work on this computer. So this is the view I see just about every day. And here's a piece I'm working on right now for The Cave in the Rock. I'm doing this series in an inked style, although I use an application called Clip Studio to mimic the look and feel of real inks, but on the computer. Right now the picture is open in Photoshop, where I'll add gray tones to make the visuals more subtle and rich. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed looking around my office. If you want to see some more of my work or just say hi, you can check out my website at www.megaflowgraphics.com.